Hello, doctor.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I have a toothache. It's been hurting for 3 days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which tooth hurts?
The back tooth on the lower left side.
Does it hurt all the time or only when you eat?
Mostly when I eat or drink something cold.
I see. How long have you had this problem?
About 3 days.
Have you taken any medicine for the pain?
Yes, I took some painkillers yesterday.
Did they help?
A little, but the pain came back.
Okay, please sit in the dental chair.
Sure.
Open your mouth wide, please.
Like this?
A little wider.
Okay.
Good. Let me take a look.
Is everything okay?
I can see some decay in the tooth.
Oh no, is it serious?
Don't worry, we need to examine it carefully first.
Will I need to remove the tooth?
Not necessarily. We may be able to save it.
That's a relief.
Do you brush your teeth twice a day?
Usually once a day.
It's better to brush twice a day.
I know, I need to improve my habits.
Do you floss regularly?
Not really.
Flossing helps remove food and plaque between teeth.
I'll start doing that.
Great. Now I'm going to tap the tooth gently.
Okay?
Does that hurt?
Yes, a little.
What about this one?
Ouch, that hurts more.
Thank you. That helps me identify the problem.
What do you think it is?
It looks like a cavity that has become deeper over time.
How did that happen?
Cavities can develop when bacteria produce acids that damage the tooth.
So, eating too many sweets isn't helping?
That's correct.
I guess I eat too much chocolate.
Many people do.
What treatment do I need?
First, I'd like to take an X-ray.
Why do I need an X-ray?
It allows us to see the inside of the tooth and the roots.
That makes sense.
The X-ray will only take a few minutes.
Okay.
The X-ray is ready.
What does it show?
The cavity has reached the inner part of the tooth.
Is that bad?
It means the tooth needs treatment soon.
What are my options?
We can do a filling if the damage is limited.
And if it's worse?
Then a root canal treatment may be necessary.
I've heard root canals are painful.
Modern treatments are much more comfortable than people expect.
That's good to know.
Would you like me to explain the procedure?
Yes, please.
First, we numb the area.
So I won't feel pain?
You may feel some pressure, but you shouldn't feel pain.
That's reassuring.
Then we clean the damaged area and remove the infection.
How long does that take?
Usually about an hour.
That's not too bad.
After that, we seal the tooth.
Will I be able to eat normally afterward?
Yes, but you'll need to follow some instructions.
Like what?
Avoid very hard foods for a few days.
Okay.
Also, continue brushing and flossing regularly.
I definitely will.
Do you have any other concerns?
Sometimes my gums bleed when I brush.
How often does that happen?
Maybe once or twice a week?
That could be a sign of gum inflammation.
Is it serious?
Not usually, if treated early.
What should I do?
Brush gently, floss daily, and schedule regular cleanings.
How often should I visit the dentist?
Every 6 months is recommended for most people.
I haven't been here in over 2 years.
You're not alone. Many patients wait too long.
I'll come more often from now on.
That's a great plan.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome.
I feel much less worried now.
I'm glad to hear that.
When can we start the treatment?
We can schedule it for next week.
Perfect.
Before you leave, do you have any questions?
No, I think you've covered everything.
Great. Take care of your teeth, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you, doctor. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.